What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Theo, and today we're going to replace terminals on this 1989 Dearborn camper van. It's my cousin's camper van. As you can see, I took the old ones off already. We're going to clean these up, and I got some new ones that are going to go on here. So let's get this done. All right, folks. You're going to hear lawnmowers in the background. You're going to hear kids playing. We are in a neighborhood, so you're gonna hear a lot going on back in the background. I do apologize ahead of time. So what we're gonna do, I got a new red terminal here, is we're going to flip these upside down. I'll stick this nut right in here. Do yes, I'm gonna put these auxiliary cables on this one side here. Start that just like that. Oh, shit. Got a solution for that. Give me 1 second. Okay. That's right there. Alrighty. Magnet. Sweet. Alright. So what I'm going to do is turn this around. Grab this piece of wire here. Run it this way. Run it here. Do is I think it's 11 mil. Yep, it is 11 mil. So we're gonna make sure this is down. Make sure this is in there nice and tight. We're just gonna hand start it here. I'm just pushing down with my right thumb down on it to get it to stick in there. Come back later with the impact. Okay. There we go. Okay. Once it's sandwiched in there, I'm going to grab a mallet. Give me 1 second. All right, everyone. I got a nice husky hammer. We're just going to use the back side of the hammer. Kind of just hit it on there. What I'm going to do is grab my Nice trusty little impact here. And I'm gonna just snug it enough where that's not gonna go nowhere. Right, get this out of the way. All right, so that's snug. We'll get these we'll get these in a minute, but let's get this black side on. This black side does not have any with it, so what I'll do is I'll just take one out. Again, I do apologize for any lawnmower noises. My neighbors are out cutting grass, playing with the dogs, that kind of stuff. What people should be doing on their days off and their nights off. Alright, let's see. I wanna sandwich that in there. We're gonna put this back in. What we're gonna do is I'm just gonna start it. Just like that. See, I started it. So I started it. So then what I can do is just take the wires, kind of feed it in there, and turn it just like that. Make sure everything is in there. What we're gonna do is once it's in there, grab our handy dandy 11 mil. We're just gonna snug. You don't want to over tight it, especially with the impact like this. Just gonna want to snug it in there. So snugged in there. Not the best, but it'll work. I'm gonna stick that on here. We're gonna tighten these up, and I'm gonna fire this bad bitch up. Let's see what we got going on here. So that one's a little tighter, that one's a little looser. Let's see if she starts, okay? Well, I guess I can't start it. Confirm the fix, because she took the keys with her. Well, since she took the keys with her, I'm going to tighten these down. I'm going to grab a 1/2 inch, which is a 13 millimeter right here. If you guys don't know what a 1/2 inch converted to metrics is, it's a 13 mil. And we're going to just kind of snug it up. Okay. There we have it. We changed the battery terminals on a 1989. Let's see what these are. All this is in here. Smashed in there. What is this plug for? Who knows what that's for? Who knows what this is? Alright, so, well, that's how you change the battery terminals. Here's the old one. C as this C can be. And then here's the other ground. As you can see, they're not the best. So that's what we replaced. So, well, I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications if you want to see more of these how-to projects or these projects of randomness. Let me know. We'd love to. Derby season is here. We're going to do that. I don't have the clamp to tie it down. It is in my truck, and my truck's at the shop, so I don't have that. So it's just going to sit here for now. It's somewhat secured, so She ain't going far with it, so it should be fine for the time being. Worst case scenario, ratchet strap. So thank you guys for watching. As always, like, subscribe, turn on those notifications, and we'll see you guys next time.